everyone, it is Monday. Okay, so we're not doing themes anymore, but that's okay because now we're moving on to questions and challenges. Okay, now for the challenge, I have to show my room, so I'm going to do that. Okay, here is my room. We'll start, okay, over here. That's my window right there, my big window. Usually I have the shutters closed on it, but I open them for light. So, here are some shelves with some of my My Little Pony collection on it. Yes, one of my hobbies is pony collecting, as you can tell. Well, I just think they make a nice decoration, and plus, well, I've been collecting them for like 10 years now, so I still haven't lost the phase, obviously. I just enjoy collecting them, you know, it's really fun, and when you get like a pony that needs cleaning, you know, it's fun to clean them and stuff. So, and I like to brush their hair sometimes too. I still admit I do that still. Anyway, so these are some unicorns right here, and there are some other ponies up top there. And then some winter-themed ponies. And these are, well, not actual My Little Ponies, but they look like them, so yeah, I collect those kind too. As you can see down here, some other stuff. There's a couple Beanie Babies. Yeah, I used to collect those. I don't anymore, but I still have some though. And here's some pony stuff that comes with ponies and whatnot. You know, a little stable there and balloons and whatnot. Yeah, I kind of collect that stuff too, but anyway. Over here is my big dresser where all my clothes and stuff are at. And you can see my jewelry up here. My earrings, some nail polish, books for college and stuff, a candle, a picture of two of my kitties, my watch right there, a little Japanese kitty that my Aunt Ruthie got me on Christmas. I love it. It's supposed to bring good luck. Some perfume and hand sanitizer. Yeah, I can't live without hand sanitizer. And a picture of me and Julius at prom. Ah, that was such a magical night. Anyway, we move on to over here, which you see some more ponies, and my beautiful iPod, and my alarm clock. I don't use the alarm, but it's a clock. Anyway, more ponies down there. My bed with stuffed animals on it. And, oh, look at that. It's one of my kitties on my windows. They love windowsills. Our cats do anyway. Hi, Nala. That's Nala right there. One of our many cats. And there he goes. You can see more stuff here, a calendar, my DVD collection, and my anime manga collection. And more stuff down there, more ponies. Yeah, there's a lot of ponies. I have around like 350 right now, I think. Yeah, 10 years of collecting and 300 and something ponies. What an achievement. Anyway, sorry about my shutter, it keeps moving. But anyway, so that's like my biggest pony shelf right now. And you can see many more ponies here. Oh, they're so beautiful and colorful. They bright up the room. And a couple big ponies there. Some old pictures right there, a DVD, my lamp, my brushes, camera, tons of other stuff, and another closet with some other stuff in it. Bags from shopping yesterday, so I'll put that stuff away. No, what are you doing? Don't touch that. Oh, fine, you can play with it. And here's Bella, one of our other kitties. Oh, look at that. Oh, Nala runs off. Okay, well, yeah, I think that's all for today. So, as for my challenge, I want you to tell me what you like to collect, if you collect anything, since I was showing my pony collection off, basically. So, if you collect anything, what do you collect? And how much of your collection do you have? How big is your collection? Yeah, as you watch this video, I'm in Disneyland right now, so yeah, I'm having a great time, so, you know, yeah. Okay, well, bye, ciao.